Dynalasers is a manufacturing-driven company based in Shenzhen, one of the world's leading technology hubs. We specialize in air-cooled handheld laser welding machines, laser cleaning systems, including MOPA technology, and energy storage battery welding solutions. Backed by a strong engineering team and an advanced manufacturing system, we integrate product development, production, and global sales to deliver reliable and cost-effective laser solutions to customers worldwide. Our product portfolio focuses on practical, high-efficiency applications. It includes air-cooled handheld laser welders, portable laser cleaning machines, MOPA laser cleaning systems for precision surface treatment, and specialized welding solutions for energy storage batteries. Our equipment is designed to be compact, easy to operate, and suitable for both field use and workshop environments. What sets Dynalasers apart is our deep understanding of real application needs. We focus on optimizing key components such as welding heads, control systems, and process parameters to ensure stable performance in challenging scenarios like aluminum welding, thin sheet processing, and long-duration operation. We design our machines with user experience in mind. With intuitive interfaces, touchscreen control systems, and simplified parameter settings, operators can quickly get started while maintaining high welding quality and consistency. In manufacturing, we follow strict quality control standards and conduct comprehensive performance and reliability testing to ensure durability and safety in real working conditions. Dynalasers is committed to providing practical, efficient, and scalable solutions. Beyond machines, we aim to support our partners in building competitive and sustainable production capabilities. Our solutions are widely used in industries such as metal fabrication, appliances, automotive components, and rapidly growing sectors like energy storage and new energy applications. From pre-sales consultation to after-sales service, our team is dedicated to fast response and long-term cooperation. Dynalasers, empowering practical laser solutions for modern manufacturing.